Well, here we are again. It's the last week of the trip. We've been plagued by a lot of wind, bad weather. Had a few marginally decent days, but I had to work on those days. Had a lot of plans for this trip. None of them really worked out yet. Got a few clips of a few times we were able to get out and make something happen. I'll show you that right now. Jill's got something big on. So we finally made it out here to the reef. As you can see, it's a little bumpy. We did get a few lane snaps for the box to take home. But wind's picking up. This is the best day we've had in a month. It's been pretty brutal. But as you can see, Pathfinder's handling it just fine. Just getting tired of tossed around in the waves. So we're gonna go find some calmer waters, backcountry, maybe look for a couple different other kinds of fish, I guess. So see you there. We're gonna go try and give the reef a shot one more time. Like I said, we only have a few days left. It's probably not gonna be fun out there, but we're gonna give it a shot anyway, and just see if we can make something happen. I'd at least like to get one good video to post from here before we leave again. So sometimes that's the breaks. That's why I call it fishing, not complaining, just what it is. So come along, I'll show you what we're doing. Well, offshore didn't work out. We're tucked up here in the mangrove. Trying to play with the little cudas. Caught some big snapper in this part. A few days ago, got a chum slick running off that point right there. If you can see it. So try and pull them snappers up out of those mangroves, and getting a barracuda once in a while is just part of the deal. So I'm gonna retie. Got that little barracuda on. Pull them up here. Sharp teeth in there. Anyway, these are fun little fish to catch. You can't get offshore and get the ones you want. These will keep your after shooting team. They are sneaky.
Look at it. It has a whatever those things that travel with it. Yeah.
Here, let's show the folks at home. It is hard to see.
It literally just circled right. You can see the remora better than that.
There's a fish right there. See, there it is. I don't know if the camera picks it up.
The remora is how I know it. See if I can catch it.
That's enough of catching cudas. See if we can catch something tasty.
Whoa, something's stirring something up down
That's what I'm using. Little pink yellowtail jig onto a live shrimp. There we go. Little mangy. Look at that. Little mangrove snapper. Probably a keeper, but we're gonna go for bigger ones, so we're just gonna let him go. Missed him.
Ready for one that might be a keeper?
That one looks like it might be a keeper. Just leave your bail open.
Yeah.
Get a measurement on it. Ooh, maybe not. Oh, 12 inches? 11 and a half?
11. We'll just see.
11 inches.
Well, my hook is down.
Here's your, flip your bail back over. That's a better one. Flip it in the boat.
I'm trying, but it's the wrong side of the pole for real.
Hold it up for the camera to see. $5 says you have one on before I can get this hooked up.
No, I switched to. Oh, there you
too little. There are some magnum-sized ones in there.
Oh my god, there's one right there. Nurse shark is back.
Look at that.
He almost went in the chum bag.
fat its belly is. It's eating that whole bag of chunk.
Not as big.
15.
Not as big.
While Jill's been back here crushing the mangrove snapper. If you pay attention out there, there's a nurse shark swimming around too. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but just below the surface, milling around. Jill's been trying to catch it. Not sure what she's gonna do with it if she does hook it, but it'll be fun while it lasts. Yeah, we've got 7 mangrove snapper in the box now, a couple over 15, so those are some of the best we've had so far. But as you can see, this is way inside the bay. Not sure if the camera picks it up way out there, but a lot of white out offshore where we tried going this morning. But again, one of the reasons we got the Pathfinder was, you know, we're back here in 4 feet of water tucked up against the mangroves. I got the trolling motor out, just playing around, picking up some really tasty fish. So we're gonna keep doing that. There's that nurse shark right there, swimming up. But yeah, we'll keep showing you what we got here, and wasn't a complete loss. It's been pretty fun so far.
There's like 3 nurse sharks. That's the big one. Come dehook him.
Check out Jill's massive mangrove. We're getting them chompers. Oh yeah. Okay, pose pretty. Wait. Pose pretty again.
That guy's fat, but that guy's long.
Look how white that meat is. Check it out. It's like the whitest meat ever. Pretty straightforward. It's like filleting any other fish. Cut around the belly, right behind the gill plate, down to the spine. Turn your knife, run that front part of your knife right down the spine, And then when you get to where you push your knife through, I'm gonna let up on the knife a little bit, push all the way through, cut to the tail. Boom. Just like that. And throw him in the bucket and dump him in the bay for all the other fish tomorrow. All right. May or may not see you in the kitchen. This is what's going down. Mangrove snapper, a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic. Fry it in the skillet. Set it to the side. And then we're going to have fried snapper Caesar salad.
Did you see Kelsey's plate?
Kelsey's plate. She's not waiting patiently for.
Hey, oh, is it because you don't get to eat with me? You want to come eat with me? Okay.
All right, here we go. We throw some lettuce in there.
You eat with mommy.
That's probably enough. I like to do my dressing first, because then your dressing doesn't get all stuck to your fish. Kind of has a chance to work into your lettuce a little bit, and then your fish is kind of like a topping. All right, throw some cheese in there. Maybe a little more. And then I'm just gonna use my hands. After all, they're just built-in tongs. All right, it's probably gonna do it. All right, look at that. Mangrove snapper, Caesar salad. Let's give it a taste. You know, one of the key flavors in normal Caesar salad is anchovies. So putting a fish on a Caesar salad is not too far a stretch. That's something you don't normally see in a lot of restaurants. It's usually chicken or steak, but don't overlook the fish, especially a white meat fish like this. This mangrove snapper is delicious. It's an overlooked sport fish in the Keys, but they're literally everywhere. when you can't get out to do the kind of fishing you want to do, don't overlook going and getting some mangrove snapper. They're delicious, it's sustainable, tons of them everywhere. Highly recommend it. So until next time, we're heading back to Alaska. We will see you there. We're probably gonna have the next episode you see is gonna be Alaska salmon, or at least getting set up, getting a fish camp set up. It's gonna be a lot of work to do there here in the next few weeks, but we'll try to get something out and show you a little bit of that too. So hit that like and subscribe button, helps a ton. Again, didn't accomplish everything we wanted to accomplish on this trip, although we did hook a tarpon, didn't get it on camera. We expanded, kind of so to speak, our horizon in backcountry, so we have a lot more spots back there, sandbars. Just building confidence with the boat. There's a lot of fingery, braided, shallow water here. It can go from 8 feet to 1 foot instantly. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's sandy, you just don't know. So it's a little scary in a brand new boat, but we're getting there. It's just taking a while. Overall though, super good experience. Hope to not have to deal with this much wind for this many days in a row again. Although living on the ocean, the weather's always variable. So again, don't throw the day away. Go get some mangrove snapper, make a good Caesar salad, and we'll see you back in Alaska.